We're heading to the market now. No, we're just heading towards Aldi.
Not market, it's grocery.
It's grocery. That's how you say grocery.
Grocery.
Grocery. There's like something yucky and then you say something and that's grocery. So come on, close the door and we're heading out and it's blown out. And I just had my shower and I feel so fresh.
Oh, it's dead.
Oh fuck, it's blown out.
Look, it's dead.
No, it's not dead. She's always looking to up to her plants.
It's dead, man.
It's not dead, man. Oh shit, it's gone blown out. I don't like it, it's blown out. Should we do something about it? Nah. Just leave it alone!
Grow, motherfuckers, grow.
Okay, we're heading to the car now. It's a tight squeeze in the car.
Why am I not driving?
Because you're not yet driving. Say hi to the cameras.
I want to drive.
You're gonna drive soon. After we go from the groceries.
No,
No.
I'm driving.
Okay. Enough. I'm driving.